make sure you find your information packet inside the box. The canister has a light to it. Get help if you can for this step. Locate your parts box for your brackets. Locate your rails. It will come in a separate box, so the 2 packages when you order. Make sure you read the instructions. Tape measure is really important. Make sure this is even on either side. It's very important for when the rails line up. Push your rails into place. You'll feel them go into the groove on either side. These clamps are a little bit tricky. It's pretty simple to put together. You'll see on these clamps there's a kickstand. Adjust the kickstand bar until the side rails look straight. The drain plugs also have to go in. There's a special method for that. Make sure you do it on both sides. The cover. Attaching the cover can be a little tricky. Get some help if you need it. Don't over tighten the screws because you don't want to break the plastic. Be sure to line up the rails so it fits perfect up against when the tailgate closes. This cover looks great. It's pretty easy to maneuver here too. Squeeze this and push. Use the strap to pull it back. Really looks good. I'm very happy with it. Very durable. Fits perfect with the Denali. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.